Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're new and you're a returner, don't forget to hit that like button because you're going to like this video anyway. So let's get started. So this video is another wig review, and this wig is actually from Idefinewig.com. I did buy them before for this wig, and I wanted to try them again. And this time I tried a U-part wig because I liked how they look, and I wanted to try it out. So what I did was I got the hair and I also got a closure. I was a little skeptical about the closure because it was not the same color. But let's see how this works out. I don't know. Let's see. They're both T1B30, but I guess T1B30 has like variation of colors. I don't know. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so this is the box that it comes with. Idefine wig, 100% virgin human hair. And in the box, it has a little baggie set. You have your, oops. Really? Okay. So you have your two wig caps of two different colors. You have your edge comb and brush, and then you have your tweezer if you want to clip, like trim the hairline, like fix the hairline a bit, and then you have your comb with a metal pick. There was something else in here and I don't know where it is, but it's like those clips that you use for your hair if you want to put the hair back. It comes with those two. I don't know what happened to it. So that's that. And then you also have the hair. So this is a U-part wig, like I said. It is loose, deep. It is Brazilian human hair. It is 12 inches. I literally forgot that I ordered it this short, honestly. Not gonna lie. It is Ombre T1B30. So this is the U part, and then you have your combs at the side, and then you have your comb at the back, and then you have your adjustable strap right here. So like I said, I ordered a closure that does not match, unfortunately, but we're going to work it out and see how that goes. So, alright, so this is the closure. Clearly it's a very different color than the other one. I tried to dye it, and I'm very upset that it didn't come out darker than it should, because I feel like I wasted money on that dye. But you know what? Everything happens for a reason, right? So I did the band method. So I put a band on the closure so that I could hold on my head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on so you guys can see how it looks. Alright, so this is the U-part wig that we are working with. As you can see, like I said, it's like a brownish color. It is T1B30. So to me, it's like a chestnut brown. And then you have your light brown on top. And what I did is I put the closure in curling rod so that it could curl like this here, so that it could blend it easier. So now I'm going to take out the curlers and let you see. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. It definitely, to me, it feels like highlights, like the closure part, which I'm fine with. And it is definitely covered at the top. Show you the back. It is definitely covered. What I want to do is put combs of the U-part wig, so that the top can sit down better, because right now it's like sitting on top of the bands, so it's a little bumpy up top. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put combs on the U-part wig so that I'm able to just clip them in. So it'll be easier for the closure to sit down, and you know, I could part it the way I want to, because right now, because it's bumpy, I can't really part it. So I'm definitely going to fix that up. And yeah, but I'm really liking how the color blended in. Definitely need to curl the hair some more, which I could do. The curling rods are pretty good. They curl very well when left in like a long time. So I'm definitely gonna use that method because I don't want to burn the hair. I know they say like these hairs can use these hair can use curling iron and straightening iron and all that stuff, but I don't trust it. So I'm just gonna stick with my curling rods. And yeah, so this is her. This is how it looks. I'm really pleased with how it came out. Like I said, I was really skeptical that the colors were not going to blend well together. And I was literally going to cry because I was like, if this doesn't work, if this doesn't blend the way I wanted to, I'm going to be mad that I wasted my money. So, but it did not. I do like it. So, what I use for my edges, I use Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair edge control, stay gel. And I also used olive oil glossing hair polisher to make it shine the way it is shining right now. So definitely recommend these products. Definitely recommend this hair. I will leave all the links below to everything that I use. And I hope you enjoyed. If you like this hair, please let me know. Gas me up, please, because I like to be gassed. With compliments, not with gas. So I will see you next time, and bye.